focus on me.
Hey kittens! So I'm so excited. So I got my Warby Parker package today and I already opened it, sorry. And I did a home try on for their glasses. So what you do, you select up to 5 different pairs of glasses that you want to try and they ship them to you for free. Girl, when I found out that thing was free, I was like, wait, free, like I don't gotta pay nothing? Nothing? I was like, oh yeah, let's do it. And then the best thing about it is that it literally took like 5 days, including the weekend, to get my package. I'm so happy. So I already opened it. So it comes in the package. Oh, this is nice. They give you your home try-on handbook. So, sorry. So it just lists everything that you gotta do for me with them. That's awesome. All right. And then all of these are the glasses. Yay, guys. Let's try them on. Let's try them on. Okay. So the one I am most excited about, I'm gonna try on first. Okay, so first we have the Chamberlain, and I'm so excited about these. They're kind of like that clear acrylic looking type. This is how they look. So they are clear as clear can get. This is the sides. And it's so cute, guys, because they actually say on the arms, it says their name, Warby Parker, and then on this side it says Chamberlain. So I just think that's a nice extra detail that they added on. Aw, and this is WP. Ah, it's cute. Okay, sorry, here we go. Cover. Oh, guys, I love them. I mean, I knew I was gonna love them anyway, because when I saw them, I was like, oh yes, girl. Ooh, girl, them's it right there, girl. But now that they own me, oh my goodness. So let me show you guys the side. And then center. And the other side. Y'all, I feel educated in these. Ooh, yes. Now these, seriously, I can wear these in public and not even feel like self-conscious. Seriously, I love these. They're so pretty. Warby Parker, girl. Okay, girl. And then next, we have the Whiskey Tortoise. So this is kind of like an animal print. So I'll show you guys. See, it has like the hints of brown. And these are the arms. Okay. And then the same thing, they have the logo Warby Parker on one side and the name of it on the other. So here we go. Oh my gosh, guys, these are cute. Cobra, I is kind, I is small, I is beautiful. No, y'all, I love them. Warby gonna get me in trouble. Warby Parker, you gonna get me in trouble with this home try on. These are cute. I really like these. Man, I can't like every single pair. Okay, so next we have the Gilbert. And this one is two-tone and I really liked it because when I saw it online, I was like, oh, that's different. I've never seen that before. So that's nice. Oh, guys, that's cute. And it also has like almost marble look to it. I don't know if you can see like the hints of white also in with it. That's pretty. Oh, okay, now I'm really excited. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold up now. But no, these are cute. You know what I really like about this pair? I love how they have kind of like this skin tone look right here. So you almost can't even tell, you know, that it's, obviously you know it's glasses. But you know what I mean? Like you can't really tell that it's like the frame because it's so, because it matches so well with my skin tone. That's nice. Oh my gosh. I would love to go out in public with any 3 of them glasses I just showed you guys. These are cute. Oh, let me show y'all the side. Look, I'm getting so excited. I'm forgetting stuff, y'all. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Yeah. Warby, I don't have time for this. I don't have the time. I don't have the finances for this. You are not going to get me in trouble. I refuse, Parker. I refuse. Okay. So next we have Cassady, and this is jet black. Oh, shoot now. With some hints of copper. I didn't know that. Wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, sorry. Let me show y'all. I keep forgetting y'all. I'm getting so excited. I'm forgetting. Here we go. All right. So this is the front. So I wanted something that looked a little plain, even though I didn't realize this was the sides. If y'all can see that here, I'll show it right here. But it's like copper on the side. That's cute. Oh, and it's on the inside too. That's pretty. All right. Let's see how they look. Again, this is Cassady. Aww, oh my gosh. Guys, I feel like Lois Lane. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. These are cute. Oh my gosh, I feel so educated. Like, I really do. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm psyching people out. But no, I really like these. So again, they're called Cassady. These are cute. I like them. All right. And then the last pair that I selected for my home try on is Daisy. And this is jet black. And I just wanted like just a really like regular everyday pair of glasses just to see how they would look. Oh, cute. Okay. So this is the front. So again, they're pretty like plain. And if you guys haven't been able to pick up on it, I really like squoval for my glasses. All right, here we go. Oh, cut it out, girl. Oh, Cobra. I like these. Go ahead. Wait a minute. Is these the Cassadys? Hold on. Daisy. Go ahead, Daisy. Oh yeah, girl. These look good. Oh y'all, I like them all. How am I supposed to pick one pair of glasses when I like all five? You know they do this on purpose. Warby, you know what you're doing, because you like, you know what, everything gonna look good. We're gonna send all of them to the people for free. Then they gonna buy every single pair. Oh my gosh, y'all are setting us up. Y'all are setting us up. Warby, I'm upset. I'm happily upset at y'all. Cause I love every single pair, but I just can't afford every single pair. But they all look good. Man, cut it out, y'all. Okay guys, so if I had to pick, like I guess in order which ones I like the most, as y'all can tell, the Chamberlains are my number one. And then second, I think I'm gonna go with and then second, I'm gonna go with the Whiskey Tortoise. I just love animal print, like anything cheetah, leopard, anything almost resembling that, giraffe. I just love it. So that would be my second pair. The third pair, I'm gonna go with Gilbert for the third pair, and then that's the two-tone one with the marble. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. Let me just try to use them one more time. Hold on, cause I just love like the two-toneness of it. Like it's nice. Man, like, are you wearing glasses? Are you really? Oh, you are. Oh my, what? Didn't even notice. Huh? Like, these are nice. Okay, so these are my third favorite. These are the Gilberts. And then my fourth, I'm gonna say Daisy. Even though they're kind of like your normal everyday pair of glasses, I just think they're really cute, and I love how they look on my face. I love how they all look on my face. I think they all look really nice on my face, but yeah, these are cute. Okay, and then last, I would go with Cassady, the one that had like the copper on it. Hold on, let me show you guys. So then last, I would go with these. That's Cassady, the one with the copper on them. Like I like them, but not as much as the others, and I think this is like a little too much for me. Like I feel like it's too much, but yeah, y'all, I love them all. Warby Parker girl, thank y'all so much for this home try on for free. I am so thankful, like seriously. And dang, now I gotta pick between the Chamberlain and then the Whiskey Tortoise. What am I gonna do? Y'all need to help me. Okay, so guys, let me know, should I go with these, the Chamberlains, or should I go with these, the Whiskey Tortoise? That's how they look. Let me get closer so you guys can see the print. Or should I go with these, the Gilberts? And these are like the two-tone ones. So guys, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, because I need your help, seriously. This was great. I mean, Warby Parker know what they doing, for real. But yeah, y'all, y'all need to do it. It's for free. They will send you 5 pairs of glasses for free, okay? Try them. Even if you don't wear glasses, try them. Just see, I mean, because you never know. I mean, like, they just have like something for everybody. They have different colors. They have different frame shapes. They have different shades, different patterns, different prices. I mean, so yeah, I am very pleased with this home try on. Okay, kittens, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Adios.